Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is back. Here is how we would suggest you maximize your not so cheap party ticket. The Halloween party is back at Magic Kingdom, and it is very similar to the Before Times version back in 2019, which means there are a lot of things to do. However, there are some things worth doing more than others, and so I want to walk you through a sample touring plan to make the most of your party ticket. The first thing we recommend that you do is be at Magic Kingdom at 3 o'clock waiting to get in. Your party ticket does allow you to get in at 4 o'clock, but if you're trying to do anything competitive, like meet Jack and Sally or the 7 Dwarfs or get party exclusive merchandise that sells out, then we recommend that you be there early so that you are at the front of the pack to get into Magic Kingdom. Right at 4 o'clock, they will allow these special event lines to tap in through the tap styles. They will give you a party wristband, and then you are off to wherever your destination is. If your plan is to meet Jack and Sally, then we recommend getting in line right at 4 o'clock. They start meeting at 4:30. Each meet does take a little while, so we recommend that you be at the very front of the pack. They will ideally be able to meet with you not too long after 4:30, and that way you can get out and go and do other things. If meeting the 7 Dwarfs is your plan, their queue does start at 4 o'clock outside, so if it is hot, you need to make sure that you are having something to cover you up, some water to drink, etc. They start meeting at 6:15. So if you're at the front of that line, you will be able to meet them before the party officially begins at 7. You might also want to go purchase some party exclusive merchandise. The lines can get long here, so unless you want something that is very limited in quantity, you might want to wait until later in the evening. You might also consider shopping at Star Traders instead of the Emporium because it is a lot less busy, and so it'll be an easier time with lower waits and fewer people. We do recommend between this 4 to 7 p.m. period, making sure that you also grab a quick meal. Mobile ordering will not be available during the party, so if you want to do that, make sure you take advantage before the party actually begins. You also might want to just enjoy the park as it is. If this is your only Magic Kingdom time, go on rides, check things out, do things before the exclusive party stuff starts. And that way you get some of that in addition to the party activities. So now let's say it is 7 o'clock, which is when the party officially starts, and that means everything is going to be available. And by everything, we mean a lot of entertainment, a lot of trick-or-treating, etc., etc. So let's start with the parade. There are going to be 2 parade times scheduled during the parties, and although you will hear the advice to wait till the second parade because it's less crowded, and that is true, we do want you to look at the weather because sometimes the storms arrive and that second parade doesn't actually happen. So if it looks like weather is on its way, get the parade out of the way the first parade because the second parade may not happen. But if the skies look clear, you might want to wait till the second parade because more and more people will leave, and that will make it easier to nab a spot. You will also want to watch the fireworks. The projections on this are incredible, like they are at all of the fireworks shows these days. So you might want to get up close. There is a fireworks dessert party available that you can book, and this will guarantee you a reserved area to see the fireworks if you would like. We would also recommend that you attend the shows that are exclusive to this party because you can't see them any other time of year or at any other event. We also suggest meeting characters that are important to you, specifically ones that are exclusive to the party. Some of them are just normal character meets, and so you will not want to take party time most likely to do those. We have an entire character map where we have listed out who meets where and which ones are exclusive to the party or special that you might want to make time for. There is also time to trick or treat, but if you don't want to carry the treats around all night, you might want to wait until later in the night, and you also might want to snag some party exclusive merchandise during the party. We don't recommend that you spend too much time eating during the party because that can really cut into your time. We also do not recommend that you do things that are not exclusive to the party unless this is your only Magic Kingdom time. So the way that you may put together a sample touring plan is from 4 to 7 o'clock. You can ride rides, eat dinner, get in line to meet high priority characters, and then if you want to meet anyone besides Jack and Sally or 7 Dwarfs, you can line up for them around 5:30, such as Pooh and Friends, Minnie, Donald and Daisy, or Elvis Stitch. They do have those queues that start a little bit early, but not as early as the 7 Dwarfs or Jack and Sally. From 7 to 9 o'clock, consider going on more rides, meeting more characters, and taking time to get some of those magic shots. They are exclusive to the party and can be really fun. And if you do it a little earlier in the night, you might look more presentable in your photos than you will by the end of the party. From 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., take in the fireworks as well as the Hocus Pocus show, which is shown on the castle stage right in front of Cinderella Castle. It's very popular. It is offered multiple times. And then finally, from 11 p.m. to midnight, you can catch the second Boo to You parade at 11:15 p.m. And then you can trick or treat to get as much candy as you can and meet more characters with shorter lines at the end of the night. For instance, 7 Dwarfs may have no wait just before midnight, whereas earlier in the day, they might have a wait that is as much as 2 hours or so. So that wraps up the party for this year. I hope you can make the most of your party ticket and have a lot of fun. Don't forget your costume. It's one of the best parts of the Halloween party. Thanks for watching.